welcome back. So today's video is going to be a tutorial on the eye makeup I'm wearing right now. I used the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette. I think that's what it's called. Yes, Rose in the Air eyeshadow palette. This is a beautiful eyeshadow palette. I'm really liking it. It's very pigmented and it blends really nicely. I did a tutorial, a full face drugstore makeup tutorial using the Not a Basic Peach palette, and I really like that one as well. So I decided I would do one with this one. Those are the two palettes that I picked up by Wet n Wild, and I like them so much that I think I'm going to check out the rest of the stuff that they have, the eyeshadows, and see if I get more. In the past, I've kind of refrained from getting Wet n Wild eyeshadows because they were all shimmery, and I like to work with more matte eyeshadows and just like pops of shimmer. Anyways, that's not important, but I do like these palettes, so I created this look. And yes, it is pretty much a dupe for the Modern Renaissance palettes by Anastasia, with the exception of 4 shades, because the Anastasia Beverly Hills Renaissance palette has an extra 4 eyeshadows. That palette is gorgeous and it's perfection. So, you know, if you have it, this would be kind of a dupe for it. If you don't have it, then listen, this is like less than $5. So an amazing palette. I'm gonna leave my links down below in case you want to follow me on my other social medias. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel if you haven't already, and share my channel and my video with your friends, families, co-workers, and all those people that you know. All right, you guys, let's get into this look. I'm gonna start with the transition shade number 1, which is this one up here, and I'm using a Sigma E40 tapered blending brush. I'm going to apply this on my upper crease. This will be my transition shade. My eye is already primed and set and ready to go. So all the way from outer to inner corner, back and forth. The next eyeshadow I'm using is the transition shade number 10, which is the one on the bottom, and I'm using a Moto Pro crease brush. This is the BMX 430. And I'm gonna do the exact same thing from outer to inner corner. This one will be a little bit lower than the transition shade number 1. And it's going right into the crease as well as in the outer V. These eyeshadows are really nice and very pigmented. They blend really nice too. Just like Not a Basic Peach palette that I did a look on last week, I believe. I really love this Rose in the Air palette. These are the only 2 that I grabbed, but I may try more of their eyeshadow palettes because I do like these too. All right, for my brow bone highlight, I'm gonna grab number 2, which is this light shade right here, and I'm using a BH Cosmetics 104 brush. And I'm just gonna pop that right on my brow bone. So now I'm gonna grab the shade number 8, which is this berry tone color. So beautiful. This is a Morphe M412 brush, and I'm going to be placing this again on my outer V and into my crease. And I'm gonna stay lower than I did the other 2 shades. So right now I'm just placing the eyeshadow, flicking up because that's what I like to do. I'm gonna go into that crease and blend it in. I'm gonna bring it all the way, but I'm not gonna add any more eyeshadow as I'm bringing it in. Whatever is left on the brush is what I'm going to bring all the way in. So it's gonna look a lot lighter in the inside than it is on the outside. So I'm just building up the color right now. But it's really pretty and very pigmented. Now for my lid shade, I'm going to take this shade right here, which is number 4. It's a nice lavender type of shade. I'm using an Ofra 11 brush for this application, and I'm just going to pack that on my mobile lid and join it with that berry tone. on my outer V. If you need to go back and blend that corner, I'm just picking up a little bit more of that berry tone shade, and now I'm going to buff any harsh lines because I want this to look nice and transition really pretty. All right, so I'm gonna go back to that berry tone, and I'm using a Morphe M432 brush. I'm gonna place that berry tone on my lower lashes. I'm just going to smudge that right into the lashes, and I'm also going to connect it to my outer V. And I'm gonna bring this all the way in. I'm not gonna close it all the way up. I'm gonna leave my inner tear duct area without the berry tone, but I'm gonna bring it in pretty close. So now I'm gonna take the transition shade number 10, which is this one right here, on a Luxie 237 blending brush, and I'm going to buff that right under that berry shade under my lower lashes. And I'm gonna bring this all the way in from outer to inner corner, making sure it's blended with this outer V. For my inner tear duct highlight, I'm going to take this gold shade. It's the shade number 3 on a Makeup Geek Outer V brush, and I'm going to place this on my inner tear duct area for a highlight. And I will be joining this with my lower lashes just to connect that little corner right there. Next, I'm going to create a wing using my NYC liquid eyeliner. I'm going to apply my mascara and some falsies, and I'll be right back. And here you have it, you guys. This is the final look. On the lips, I'm wearing Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in Stripped. The lashes are the Salon Perfect Lashes 615, and I did tightline my upper lashes in my waterline. I used the LA Girl Endless semi-permanent eyeliner in black. And that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to leave my links to my other social medias down below. If you want to follow me, you can just link down there. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and share my channel and my videos. I hope you like this look. If you want to see more easy and quick looks like this, let me know down below, or just let me know what you guys want to see from me next. That's it, you guys. Until next time, mwah, hugs and kisses. Bye.